Hello, everyone. Welcome to the educational series about Insights. Insights is the free tool that comes with a Beyond package, and you will see it on the side menu. This is pricing tool where normally you will find all of your listings, and below you will find Insights. The dashboard and the listing view are part of our free offering, and then we have additional features in the Pro package. Let's start in the dashboard in our sample account. So here the numbers look very big. Then you will see that in Insights, we have a quick overview of how we're pacing towards revenue per available night, adjusted occupancy, that's removing the blocks or unavailable dates, and the average daily rates. It will tell you how you're pacing, what's the total number that we're seeing for the next 12 months. We can always change the time frame to see the calendar year or only the next 3 months, whatever we feel more comfortable with. And it will tell you what's the metric, how it was compared to last year, and how it was compared to the end result of the year. Here we see, for example, right away what's the total revenue, and if you scroll down, you will see further information into total occupancy. We have both pacing information and then last year information so that we can compare date by date. We can see it monthly, daily, or weekly. I'm going to put it on daily because right now we're only looking at 3 months, and you will see how the graph changed. We see total revenue fluctuations for every given date for the entire portfolio, as well as total occupancy. And if we continue to scroll down, we will see way more average daily rate. Again, this is pacing where we could see only end results. So we can see some dates. For example, June last year was higher rates occupied than what it is this year. But then those days, we see the dates, the same flipped around, right? Where our rates this year could be higher than last year. This is a brief overview on how we see the graphs on the overview tab. We can see this by booking date, we can see it by check-in date, and we can see it on a per listing level. Especially useful when we are increasing the number of listings we manage year over year, and we want to see the metrics divided by the total number of listings to measure really the impact that we have. If we wanted to use these business intelligence tool only to analyze a specific market of our portfolio or only to analyze a specific bedroom size, we can only always create filters, those being the filters that we had already in the pricing section. We can filter by currency, by health scores, kind of like the performance metrics of each of them. We can even filter by PMS and amenities, bedroom size, and here market, neighborhood, cities, as well as manually including or excluding certain listings from these reports. We can select to compare our listings to one another, or we can also select to compare to a group, that being, for example, the markets, and that would be outside our portfolio. So market data versus my portfolio data, neighborhood data versus my portfolio data, and any of the filters that we already pre-created. Those are all sample filters that we have done in the past, and you can see in there. Going back to the filters, remember that you can always export the data that is being used to come up with those numbers and make this graph. So in the export button, you can download all of the reservations details from all of the reservations we are using for generating this overview. There is a series of videos that we're going to be sharing with you to tell you more about insights, how revenue managers are using it, and how can you get the most out of using this tool. But at any time, if you're curious, you have always our support center here on the bottom at the left side. And in the support center, you can always filter with the filter and search by category, and you can use insights. So if you click in Insights, all of a sudden you have a guide to the charts, all of the new users kind of tutorials, frequently asked questions, and features that are part of our pro offerings, such as competitive sets. More information, like said, you will be receiving per email very soon, but at any time, if you have any question, feel free to reach out and we'll be super happy to help. Thank you.